UN Secretary General has welcomed the declaration on solidarity and stability announced at the Gulf Cooperation Council summit held in Saudi Arabia. China says to take necessary measures to safeguard rights of app firm banned by US. Iran test fired Azrakash missile from national drone. Farhan Haq, Deputy Spokesman of UN Secretary General, says UN stresses need for Gulf unity for regional peace. In Afghanistan, at least 6 Taliban were killed and 4 others injured during an operation in Baghlan province. South Korea prepares legal action against Iran over oil tanker seizures. Indonesia recorded its biggest daily rise in COVID-19 infection on Wednesday with 8,854 new cases. British judge to decide if WikiLeaks Assange will be freed on bail.